Sorry ass DJ.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining today. So, I got a couple of packs from Walmart. I already kind of dove into the I got a brain fart. Sleeves, deck protector, is what you want to call them. But, well, I already opened them, but I opened them on the wrong side. Got it open. So, I like the clear ones. I don't like the ones that got, you know, like this one here got the design on them. And I'm not too fan of the ones with designs. I just like the clear ones that you can see front and back. So then you got to take the card out, look at it. It's just a pain in the butt. So here's a little messy. Got out of the shower and just left it and left the house and didn't even bother really even combing it because there's nothing really to even comb. Been getting gray and white hair since I was 21. I'm 41, so yeah, runs in the family. So, but today I got what was it, yeah, $60 worth of stuff if you're counting 70 if you're counting whatchamacallit, the sleeves. But there's the first one, Scarlet and Violet. Got this one. So, and I got another pack like this, but that was these three here for the Stellar Crown. So yeah, it's this one. And then I got this one here, $28. So I don't know which one should I open up. I would really want to open this one. I'd like to just open them all at once, but I gotta save some for a video later on during the day, or later on during the week. So sorry if I didn't post last week. Stuff came up. I didn't, get everything all out, get everything situated. But like I said, I'm trying to get it to where I'm doing it 3 times. Yeah, 3 times a week. Even if it's 2 something. So, alright guys, what one should I open? I mean, I got 9 packs of Stellar and Crown. I got 3 Scarlet and Violet. So, I was gonna get Dragon Ball. Which one was it? But they were just a single pack, so single booster packs. They're $3.74 a pack. But the pull rates on those, I think when you just buy the single packs, your pull rates go down a little bit compared to buying just a little, like a little booster pack. Doing it this way, I don't know. I just feel like they've actually put something in the booster pack to make it, But you can strike out. But like I said, just buying just the singles, it's your pull rate saying is up high enough as you are, just buying this. So I don't know. I might just open this one here because I want to open 6 of them. But then I might open this too. I have no clue. I don't know what. Okay. If I had a coin, I'd just flip a coin to which one I'd have to do. But then again, with some apple juice in the Wendy's cup. Nice and cold. Alrighty, so good. We'll just open these 3 here since this is already sealed. Now if I get something, I was gonna open that. But so yeah, alrighty. Alright, there we go. First pack open. Ding, ding. Cold card. I'm keeping the cold cards. I'm just gonna try to pile them up a little bit, and then I might just do a video of just all cold cards. So what we don't know, but I'll get a little closer so you guys can actually see. You guys might be sitting there kind of like this, watching it, but my phone's a little crooked because I got one of those little sticky, or the little things that you can, phone holders that you stick to the window that's got the suction cup. So that's why you're seeing me a little crooked if I look at like this. So what do we got? That one. I can't read, the freaking thing is just blurry. It's blurry for me. My vision's not the best. I'm supposed to be wearing glasses when I drive. But it's like I'm watching TV. Everything's all blurry. But I can see, you know, far distance, stuff like that, I'm fine. But it's, you know, looking at something like small letters, then that's where I have a problem. So, alright, I'll try to fix this. I'll just set it down. There we go. Yeah, they're probably like, I gotta watch this sideways. Dang. Then we got Electrobuzz. Got that one. I have to turn around and see who it is. Comfy. I think it's Comfy. But you guys see what the second one is. I read Glass Trumpet. I don't know why, it's just blurry. Giancy? If I'm right. So, no, I'm not just into Pokemon. I've been more into Dragon Ball. Area 0. Under Death. Yep. I've been more into Dragon Ball than I have Pokemon. I mean, I should have gotten the Pokemon, like I said, a long time ago. No. What the heck? I hate when you try to open a pack and it just won't open for you. Like the glue is just like Gorilla Glue, not just regular. There we go. There we go. Now I got it. Yeah. So, alright, code card, I'll put down. So, that one's not good. That's a good card. And then got Lily, Pommy. Correct me if I'm wrong with the fletchling, a bird. I know, real Breaking 8, he'd take that and throw that. But then, you know, like the basic energy, I should have known that one. But like I said, it's blurry on my thing. So, ow, the heck was that? Oh. And then who do we got? I can't. You guys can tell me how to say that one. Drifblim, I think it says. And we got Rapidash. Then Reverum. Like I said, my voice is kind of out of it too. Eldegoss, I think. And then Aluza. And then that's it. That's the last one. That card kind of looks kind of cool though. Get it in. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, there. Do the last one for this pack. I gotta try to set it up different so that way this is getting hot in here. gotta let a little bit of air flow through. So this one opened pretty easy. So yeah, I don't know. Sorry if this is just a pain in the butt. Yeah. Morotum. Score Bunny. And then Tantrum, I want to say. And that one, Lapras. This is Coreadon, something like that, I believe. I can't do that one. Tagademaru? I gotta be able to hear what you guys call it for me to be able to know the hoot hoot. That one. And then Grimmsnarl. And then you got that one. Nice. And the last one, the energy. So the Cinderace EX. Nice card. Put that in the whatchamacallit before I forget. Yeah, it's just I wish I would have seen some clear ones instead of these ones. But well, I don't know. Should I open the other ones or not? Here, I'll be back. I'm gonna try to fix this so that way it doesn't. You guys are